Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting accounts and controllers ready. Sign into your main Ps4 profile and launch Minecraft. Once the game is running, connect a second controller and sign it into any Ps4 user account so the console recognizes it. Make sure your TV is set to a 16:9 mode and a supported resolution like 720p or 1080p to avoid letterboxing. Once both controllers are active, proceed to open or create the world you want to play together. Once your world is loaded, make sure it allows multiplayer. Check the world settings and enable multiplayer if needed. Now hand the second controller to player 2 and have them press the options or start button. Minecraft will prompt them to sign in and join as player 2. If the screen doesn't split immediately, return to the pause menu and confirm multiplayer is active. Make small tweaks to HUD scale or brightness in settings to improve visibility and alignment for both players. To finish, verify both users appear on screen with separate inventories and that controls respond independently. This confirms split screen is active. If you encounter a black or single screen issue, first have player 2 re-sign in, then restart Minecraft or the Ps4. Make sure HDMI and TV resolution match supported settings and swap controller cables to rule out hardware faults. If problems persist, create a fresh local world to test. That isolates world corruption versus
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.